Welcome back everyone to part 2 of our ketogenic journey. In our previous video, we gave you an overview of the ketogenic diet and explained how it works in your body. If you haven't watched it yet, be sure to go back and check it out. Today, we're diving into the specifics of the diet, so you can start your ketogenic journey. We'll explain the essential nutrients to include in your meals, how to determine your own ideal macronutrient ratio, the best sources of healthy fats, and how to stick to the diet. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we hope you walk away with a better understanding of the ketogenic diet. Let's get started. The first step in any ketogenic diet plan is to reduce your consumption of carbohydrates. This can be done by cutting out processed foods, sugary snacks, and processed grains. It is also important to increase your intake of healthy fats from sources such as olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, and fish. Next, it is necessary to adjust your protein intake according to your goals. A ketogenic diet plan usually consists of high-quality proteins, such as eggs, meat, dairy, and legumes. A key part of any ketogenic diet plan is to monitor your progress. This can be done through tracking your daily food intake, keton levels, and body weight. Exercise is an important part of any weight loss program, and this applies to those on a ketogenic diet plan as well. Try to incorporate some type of physical activity into your daily routine. And very important point to come across is cheat days. This can sabotage any weight loss program, and they should be avoided while on a ketogenic diet plan. Okay, now we will have a look at our ketogenic meal plan for 7 days, starting from Day 1, breakfast, 3 eggs scrambled with vegetables, 1 piece of toast with 2 tablespoons of nut butter. Lunch, grilled salmon with roasted vegetables and a side salad. Dinner, baked chicken with roasted sweet potatoes and green beans. Next, Day 2, breakfast, avocado toast with a side of scrambled eggs. Lunch, tuna salad with nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Dinner, ground beef stir-fry with steamed vegetables. Day 3, for breakfast, a smoothie made with almond milk and berries. For lunch, grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. For dinner, salmon with steamed broccoli and cauliflower. Next one, Day 4, breakfast, Greek yogurt with walnuts and chia seeds. Lunch, grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. Dinner, salmon with steamed broccoli and cauliflower. Then we'll have a look at Day 5, for breakfast, 2 hard-boiled eggs and a protein shake. For lunch, grilled shrimp with salad and avocado. Dinner, turkey burgers with sweet potato fries. Up next is Day 6, breakfast, oatmeal with nut butter and berries. Lunch, cucumber slices with tuna and olive oil. Dinner, baked pork chops with sautéed vegetables. Last Day 7, breakfast, egg scramble with spinach and mushrooms. Lunch, arugula salad with grilled chicken and avocado. Dinner, zucchini noodles with shrimp. Here are some easy snack ideas for the week. Hard-boiled eggs, nuts and seeds, cheese slices, deli meat slices, celery sticks with nut butter, Greek yogurt, cucumber slices with hummus, keto-friendly protein bars and shakes, olives. The number of calories you will burn with a 7-day keto meal plan will depend on your activity level, your individual metabolism, and the specific foods you are consuming. However, a general rule of thumb is that a person following a keto diet typically burns about 1,500 to 2,000 calories per day, depending on their activity level. The length of time you should continue the ketogenic meal plan will depend on your individual goals, lifestyle, and preferences. Generally speaking, most people can benefit from following a ketogenic diet for anywhere from several weeks to several months. In order to see desired results, it's best to discuss your specific circumstances with a doctor or nutritionist to determine what is best for you. Today, we're wrapping up our series with some additional tips for sticking to a ketogenic diet. Prepare meals in advance to make sure you have easy access to healthy, low-carb meals and snacks during the week. Stay mindful of your portion sizes. as overeating can easily lead to going off keto. Keep track of your progress by weighing yourself or measuring body fat percentage to make sure you're meeting your goals. Stay hydrated throughout the day and make sure to drink plenty of water, herbal teas, and other calorie-free beverages. Avoid temptation by limiting your exposure to unhealthy snacks and sugary desserts. Get enough sleep to ensure your body has the energy it needs to stay in ketosis. Thanks for joining us on this, and we hope you walk away with the knowledge you need to complete and maintain your ketogenic journey. Before you go, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and the bell icon, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below to let us know what you thought of this video and any other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.